Hey everyone! Welcome back to Pharma at RGUHS, your one-stop destination for all student and exam-related updates. Kcet 2025 results are out, and now the biggest question in every student's mind is, what's next? Well, the answer is Kcet counseling, and in this video, I'll walk you through the complete process, important dates, documents needed, seat matrix, and even top mistakes students make during option entry. Stay with me till the end. This video can decide your college and future. Kcet 2025 Counseling Timeline. Expected. The Kcet counseling process will be conducted by Kcet, Karnataka Examinations Authority, and it is expected to start in June 2025. Let's look at the expected timeline. Event expected dates. Document verification June 2025. Option entry starts early July 2025. Mock allotment mid-July 2025. Final allotment round 1 late July 2025. Round 2 allotment August 2025. Extended round September 2025. These dates may vary slightly, so always keep checking the official Kcet website for real-time updates. Step 1. Document verification. This is a compulsory offline process. Even if you got a good rank, without document verification, you can't participate in counseling. Documents to carry. Original plus photocopy. Kcet 2025 Admit Card. Kcet Application Form Printout. SSLC 10th Marks Card. Second PUC 12th Marks Card. Study Certificate 1 cent 12th. Caste to Income Certificate, if applicable. Rural Kannada Medium Defense NCC Sports Certificates, if applicable. Passport size photos. After verification, Kcet will give you an acknowledgement and access to the option entry portal. Step 2. Option entry portal. Now comes the most crucial step, option entry. Based on your rank, you'll select your preferred colleges and courses. The order you enter these options can directly impact your allotment. Tips. Don't just enter top colleges, include realistic options based on previous year cutoffs. Use choice codes carefully. Arrange your options in true preference order. Enter at least 25 to 40 choices for safety. We'll also be uploading a district-wise, branch-wise cutoff PPT. Stay subscribed. Understanding mock allotment. Kcet will release a mock allotment result before the real one. This gives you a chance to correct or reorder your options. Mock allotment highlights. Helps predict your chances. You can make edits to your preferences after this. This is not final, so don't panic if you don't get your top choice. Use this opportunity wisely to avoid regrets in final allotment. A final allotment. 4 choices explained. Once the final seat allotment is released, you'll be given 4 choices. Let's understand them clearly. Choices. Choice 1 freeze. Satisfied, take the seat and exit. Choice 2 float. Accept for now, but try for better in next round. Choice 3 reject and continue. Not happy, try again next round. Choice 4 exit. You're out of counseling, can't participate again. Make this decision with your parents or mentors. Don't choose randomly. How to choose the right college and branch. Here's how to shortlist smartly. Always check last year's cutoff ranks. Look for colleges with good infrastructure, placements, and location. Popular branches like CSE, ECE, AIOML have higher cutoffs. Pharmacy, nursing, and agriculture also have great scope in Karnataka. Pro tip. Don't run behind just brand names. A mid-tier college with good faculty and placement is better than a top-tier name where you are lost. Common mistakes to avoid. These are the top mistakes students make during Kcet counseling. Avoid them at all cost. Mistakes list. Not attending document verification. Entering only top colleges. Locking options without review. Forgetting to print acknowledgement. Missing deadlines. One small error can ruin your chance. Be alert. Seat Matrix 2025. Expected. Here's a quick look at the expected seat matrix for KCET 2025, based on past trends. Expected seats. Course approx seats. Engineering 60, 000 plus. Pharmacy 2, 000 plus. Agriculture 1, 500 plus. B.Sc Nursing 1, 000 plus. The official seat matrix will be released on the KIA website before option entry begins. Final tips and resources. Here's what you can do right now. Get all your documents ready. Bookmark the KIA website. Watch my upcoming videos. I'll cover cutoff ranks district-wise, top colleges under KCET, and counseling mock option examples. KIA website, setonline.karnataka.gov.in/KIA. Subscribe and stay ahead. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you understand the KCET 2025 counseling process. Drop your rank in the comments, and I'll reply with personalized guidance. Like, share, and subscribe to Pharma at RGUHS, because your dream college is just one smart step away.